Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and another question that I get asked from time to time, and actually the video that I talked about turning on, turning off your PC or not doesn't really matter, came with, of course, a few more questions that people had, and one of them that a few of you have asked is, does reinstalling Windows or resetting the PC from the settings actually damage your PC? Does it actually create any problems over time that you do it too often? Well, simple answer, no. It's very simple. Your PC, for some reason, a lot of people think that, reinstalling Windows is like a big thing. It's actually a big thing for the user doing it, especially if you're not used to it, absolutely. But for a computer itself, for the hardware and all, it's really just, computing, and it's not really different from using Windows or doing other things. Reinstalling Windows or resetting the PC from the settings is not going to damage your PC over time. You could do it 3 times a day and it will be fine. The problem isn't at all, it's not a problem at all, and it doesn't stress or strain your PC in any way. There's a lot of talk about how, using your PC too much or doing certain things too much might break your PC or, shorten its lifespan. In general, it doesn't really do anything to damage the PC. Your computer simply is a computing machine. It simply does one simple task in a complex way, and it's to simply compute all the code to do what you're asking it. So if you're using Windows, it's computing the code to have you use Windows. If you're loading software, editing images, going to the internet, once again, it's computing all the code that it needs and requires to actually do the task you're asking it. Installing Windows is the same thing. It might look like a big thing, but it's your computer doing the same thing over and over again, simply computing and running the code to do what you're asking it. In that case, resetting your PC or reinstalling Windows from scratch. So you might reinstall Windows, 100 times in a year. It won't matter, and your PC is still going to be fine, and it's not going to shorten its lifespan, really. There's a lot of talk. People talk, oh, well, the SSD, your solid state drive is going to be, you're going to ruin your SSD because you're writing too much on it. It won't happen. It does not happen. The SSDs have a lifespan that is actually so good that you got to stop worrying, oh, well, I'm not reinstalling because it's going to write too much on my SSD. It's not something you need to worry about. Your computer, or you're going to change your computer or go to something else before you ever change your SSD. And you might even change your SSD, not even because it's worn out, because you don't have enough space and you want a bigger one. That's all. And, stop worrying about computers, maybe damaging computers, doing something like that. It's not. It's one of the tasks a computer does. Reinstalling the software, reinstalling the operating system, and so on. Nothing more. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.